Hello friends! In this lesson, we will be learning all about Pablo Picasso's self-portrait. Pablo Ruiz Picasso was born on October 25, 1881 in Malaga, Spain. He was a renowned Spanish painter and sculptor who spent most of his adult life in France. Did you know Picasso could draw and paint when he was very young? His first word was lapis, the Spanish word for pencil. Picasso is best known as the co-founder of Cubism. Do you know what Cubism is? Cubism is a technique in which the artist opts to break up objects and reassemble them in abstract and geometric form. To put it simply, it is an art style where the works look like they are made of cubes and geometrical shapes. Do you know what is a self-portrait? A self-portrait is a drawing, painting, or written description that you do of yourself. A self-portrait is a representation of an artist that is drawn, painted, photographed, or sculpted by that artist. Now let's take a look at the art of the day. This artwork is titled Portrait of a Woman with a Hat, 1962, Block 1072. Is done by artist Pablo Picasso, 1881 to 1973. Pablo Picasso's Portrait of Woman in a Hat, 1962, Block 1072 is a vibrant and colorful linocut that showcases Picasso's famous abstracted reductive style. With thick lines of black, accents of green and blue and blocks of red, white, yellow, this portrait is full of gorgeous saturated colors that fill the composition with life. This work is truly eye-catching and shows off Picasso's mastery of color and shape. Picasso created portraits of women throughout his career in all the mediums he worked in. He was inspired by the female form and had many muses turned lovers throughout his life. This linocut is a stunning example of Picasso's abstract way of drawing the human figure. Foregoing traditional naturalism with shading and creating three-dimensionality, Picasso uses simple lines and colors to create a flat and colorful interpretation of a woman's face. Created in 1962, Pablo Picasso, Portrait of Woman with a Hat, Block 1072 is a linocut on Arches paper. This work is hand-signed by Pablo Picasso in pencil in the lower right margin. Numbered from the edition of 50.
If you like the video, there's a lot more on KiQS.co where you can access hundreds of interactive learning videos.